the St. Augustine Supercharger is pretty solid during the day. It closes very early. We've been now 5 times. This will be number 6. And it's a mall, so they've got a decent selection. And the bathroom is pretty clean for an old bathroom. Navigate on autopilot does well enough on the exit. It's not too difficult to find, but it is on the frontage side of the mall. So after this red light, we'll hyperlapse up to the entrance, and then we'll slow it down and show you how to get into the Supercharger. It is a 6 stall. It's right next to the dumpster. Every time we've been, the dumpster has been smelly. And I do mean dumpster this time. I'm not misspeaking and calling the Supercharger cabinet a dumpster like I did that one time. That was late at night. And the cladding they use to hide some of the Superchargers is the exact same cladding that you'd use to hide a dumpster. But anyway, that dumpster is it's got a recycling for cardboard only, and then it's got a garbage. One time we had this IHOP. They did okay. The waitress was very distracted, so none of our orders were correct. But she was nice enough. Over here where it says sushi and Thai, it's not really Thai. They do have sushi. It's more of an Asian fusion, and they do a good enough job. Wow, the traffic here is incredible when they're not closed. Yeah, the pin is accurate, but the address, so right now we're not even close, and the navigation has given up on us. So just follow what I'm doing here, and this will get you to the place. There's also a wash and detail service if you want it. At this point, since there's 6 and there's now 4 cars charging, it doesn't matter where we go, we will be sharing a stall. So let's see where we go. How's it going?
She's gonna move over here.
She's moving here?
Rate's there. So she's moving here.
Oh, she's moving here? Okay, so over there?
You probably want to go over there.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna do 2A. And hopefully his math is right. Last time we didn't park that far from the dumpster, so we didn't notice there's a huge space, as he just pointed out, in between the last stall and the next to the last stall. Well, this station is busy today, so let's see what we got here. Yeah, so we'll wait for this Model 3 to park before we get out. Because if we don't, the Model X's sensors won't know it's there, and it'll pop them out wide. Here we go. Alright, so I'm at 2A. Next to me is 1A. And the other side of me is 3A. So this is one of the ones, oh, sorry, gimbal limit reached. This is one of the ones where all the A's are together and then all the B's are also together. So since the station is now full, we are sharing a charge no matter what we do. So let's take a picture, find you the restrooms, and we'll give this a score. Catch you on the flip side. Here we go. Alright, so there's the Supercharger cabinet. and there is the trash compactor and the trash can. Oh, they have an actual trash can now, and a recycle bin. This is wax paper. I don't think it counts, so we'll trash it. If you back up from the trash can, there's a curb. Don't trip over it. Alright, now we'll hyperlapse you to the public restroom. And then there is the cardboard disposal, the recycling. Oh, look at this. This is new. Wild Raven Boutique. Little generator. And then off to the left, you'll find the restrooms. Okay. During the day, I give the St. Augustine Supercharger an 8 out of 10. At night, I give it a 3 out of 10. The reason is, it's not too shortly after they... Sorry. The reason is not too shortly after they close, they actually shut off the streetlights. So, the ability to feel safe, and like you're not gonna get mugged or anything, it goes down substantially, because you get these bright Tesla lights, and then your car is just sitting there with a glowing green light, and it doesn't give me a good feeling charging here after they shut the lights out. That doesn't happen for about an hour or two after they close, and then during the day, it's a mall. It's great. It's got a good selection, lots of food, lots of vendors that come through. There's even a car wash. So if the sun's up, or it's not too late after dark, come on through. If it is, then you might want to stop early at Kingsland, or stop later, or even Jacksonville, or stop later further down the road. We'll catch you on the flip side. Oh, I want to ask you to like or thumbs up, share the video, comment below, and I want to ask you to subscribe, please. We have a goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers. We have a goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers by June, if we can, and we want to see how close we can get to that. So subscribe, and then ring the bell, and then share it with some friends. It would really help the channel out, and I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Catch you on the flip side.